What's up guys, Scott here from Best Guitar Lessons Ever. Just bringing you another Bob Marley video today. We're going to be doing the song Jammin', Bob Marley and the Wailers. It's a really easy song if you can do some bar chords. Just a little bit of practice, and they're pretty easy bar chords. It's in the key of B minor today, and so on the 6th fret root bar chord, B comes out right here. On the 7th fret you put your bar, and it's minor, so the middle finger, we're going to take that off. Okay, so B minor, first chord, 7th fret bar. Take your ring finger and your pinky finger, put those on the 9th fret of your A and your D string. Now reggae has a very staccato sound, which means that you're kind of going and you're lifting off, you push down to make the sound, and then you lift off your fingers to kind of mute almost. So you're almost just kind of tapping down with your fretting hand. You don't just kind of tapping down for just a half a second. Okay. Okay, so the next chord we're doing is an E7. That's same position on the 7th fret. And we take our ring finger, put that on the 9th fret of the D string. Take our pinky finger and put that on the 9th fret of the B string. And bar the rest. Okay, so let's start from the top. Okay, and I'm gonna use this strumming pattern. This is kind of something that you'll sort of develop on your own. I like to play it like this. Down on your low strings, a down hit, and then a down hit on your high strings. Okay, and that staccato type of feel, so you lift off your hands right away after you strike. Okay, so down on the low, down on the high, and then we'll go back up one stroke on the high strings. Now, when I say the high strings, I'm talking about your G, B, and E strings, or even just your B and E strings. Okay? Okay? Chuck down, 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 chuck. Okay? So B minor, E7 to G major root bar chord on your 3rd fret. Got your G note here on the low E string. So we bar the 3rd fret, ring finger, 5th fret, pinky, 5th fret, middle finger, 4th fret, and bar the rest. Okay, from the top. Okay, pretty easy. And then we're going to go to our F sharp minor. I play it. Okay, so F sharp minor, 2nd fret bar, ring finger, 4th fret A string, pinky finger, 4th fret D string. Okay, that's F sharp minor. I personally take off my pinky finger, so you're like almost in kind of like a power chord, with just your ring finger on the 4th fret of the A string. You can play it either way. This is just how I do it. Okay guys, so from the top we have a B minor, E7, G major, F sharp minor. Okay, so let's put that all together and see how it sounds. Okay. So there's different ways that you can kind of play the rhythm on this. So you know, you have your single chop type of rhythm where it's just you have a double chop type of pattern. Okay, you have the pattern I showed you has some little bit more feel to it, a little more embellishment. You know, there's all different kinds of ways. There's different tempos that you can play it at. I heard this remix on, I think, I can't remember where I heard it, but it was just an instrumental remix, and that sounded really cool. It was a little slower. It kind of used the strumming pattern that I showed you. Okay, so I've punched this into the looper, and I'm just going to go over some kind of sort of lead guitar ideas for you real quick. And if you want to add a bass line, a simple bass line would be like B, E, G, F sharp, okay, and so since we're in the key of B minor, I'm gonna show you the pentatonic form 1 on the 6th string, your root note B. Okay, pinky finger on the 10th fret of your E string. Okay, index finger on the A string, 7th fret, to A string, 9th fret, D, 7th fret, 9th fret, G, 7th fret, 9th fret, B, 7th fret, 10th fret, E, 7th fret, 10th fret. So 10, 7, 10, 7, 9, 7, 9, 7, 9, 7, 10, 7. Okay, so let's put that all together, guys. Okay, that's all out of that box right there. Alright guys, I really appreciate y'all watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments down below. If you like the video, if you like the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon next to that so you can get notified. If you think this was helpful, if you think you know anybody who might find this helpful, please feel free to share the video. And we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.